welcome to the van tour of the 2021 Peugeot Boxer. Starting on the exterior of the van, look at them graphics, absolutely beautiful they are. Massive thanks to Ollie at OC Graphics for doing them for us. They're moving straight on to the 16-inch Rogue alloys with Comforter tyres that honestly make any van look $1 million. Thank you again to Rogue for always looking after us. On the driver's side rear, we've got the Fawo magnetic hookup point, a must have for any hookup point. They are the best by far. They look so cool. Round to the passenger side, again we've got the Fawo magnetic water inlet, and next to it we have a hot and cold exterior shower, which with this van not having an internal shower is perfect from them off-grid weekends. Let's take you into the garage of the van. This is where we house all of the water and the electrics. As you can see, little switch for a garage light to illuminate all on them dark nights. Got all the electrics on the right hand side. This wonderful LVT floor which runs all the way throughout the van. Professionally installed by James from First Flooring as usual. Then back over to the off-grid electrical system, used with the Victron blue trunking to hide away all them cables but keep everything nice and neat. We did use the Renogy 3000 watt inverter paired with the Victron Orion XS and the Victron 130 MPPT. It makes for a great system. We do use the Fogstar 240 battery charger along with two 305 amp hour Fogstar Eco batteries, using a Victron smart shunt for monitoring. Over to the left hand side of the garage you can see the water system. First of all, we have the switch for the water pump to turn off once you're refilling. Then we use the Seaflow high pressure water pump, filter and accumulator, coupled up with the RV 12 volt water heater, which is fantastic. And just coming out of the garage, here we have the Kuma Connect light with the external antenna, which will keep the customer connected to the internet in 99% of the UK. Now let's take a look inside the van. First of all, as soon as you open the door, the first thing that hits you is the beautiful lats on the back of the kitchen. And we've also hidden into there some secret lights which will illuminate outside on them starry nights when you just sat outside the van. So time to slip the Crocs off, nip inside the van, and I think we can let the van do the talking. So as you can see on this van, the customer opted for the external shower point and decided against an internal shower room, so we're left with this huge bench seat which can also be doubled up as an occasional bed. We added 2 separate tables for when occasionally the customer has a friend over, but also can be put together to make this large table, as the customer's a keen pottery maker and wants to do that whilst on the road. As a third use, the table closest to the bed can be swiveled 90 degrees to extend that worktop even further for a prep station whilst you're cooking. Then we've got the diesel heater and the inverter switch at the side there. Double induction hob, 2 40-volt sockets with also the built-in USBs, and again, look at that extra space that you can create with that table. And on top of that, we have, as usual, flip up at the side as well, which makes this absolutely huge L-style kitchen. What a space that is. The customer wanted a built-in microwave oven, and the one she chose was quite large, so we decided to pop it into the bed frontal, which I think is a great space for it. Underneath we've got this pull-out step to get up into bed, which also doubles up as a little hidey hole. We've got the trusty old RV 90 litre fridge, come from Clear Cut Conversions as usual. This time you'll see it's different, it's a silver fronted one to match everything else in the van. Cutlery drawer, then another larger drawer with our bespoke chopping board that we always give to customers, and then ample storage in the rest of the kitchen. As you can see on the front of the bench seat, we've got some more 240s and the diesel heater outlet. Then we've got the secret toilet drawer, which pulls out nicely, so you can use the toilet and then just slips straight back in. In the front, the customer opted for 2 single seats, so she can use the van as a cut-through, as she will be living in it full time. We've got swivel bases on both the seats, as you can see, so simple to turn round, and it just opens up your van so much once you're in that stationary position, which gives a fantastic lounge area. Both the front seats have been reupholstered by Runcorn Upholstery, with the customer's choice of fabric and piping. I love the way that they integrate the headrests into the seats, looks so classy, and they even give us the option to brand our logo into the headrests too. And that's it guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you like it as much as the customer did when she collected it. If you're in the market for a van, anything goes, fully bespoke, just drop us an email, drop us a WhatsApp, or better still, pop in and see us and we can give you a full quotation there and then. But for now guys, from everyone here at AVC, have a wonderful Christmas, an amazing new year, and we'll see you again in 2025.